Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Rallybar speaker, either the normal, the S, or the XL, it doesn't matter, it all works the same, and you're trying to pair it to your phone, your iPhone, or other device, or repair it or disconnect it and pair it with something else. It all works the same on all of these. So basically it's real simple. All we need to do, we're going to come around to this back panel, and with the speaker turned on, we have this Bluetooth button right here, which is also a light. So when it's off, the light will be off, and when it's on but it's not connected to anything, not trying to connect, this will just be a solid white light. And when it's already connected to something, it will be solid blue. So what we want to do is, if it's either solid white or solid blue, we can just go ahead and push this Bluetooth button and it will start to blink in blue, which means it's now in discovery mode. And from there we can go on our device and select, go from our available devices on our phone or whatever, and select this phone and select this speaker from the devices, and from there it should automatically pair, and this will become solid blue again. Now if you turn this off, and then when you turn it back on, it's going to automatically try to repair with the last device that it was connected to, and it will actually remember up to 8 devices and try to connect to the most recent one. But you can always, if it's connected to something you don't want it to, you can always just come in and press the Bluetooth button until it blinks blue, and then connect it to whatever you want to have it connected with. So hopefully this fixed your problem. If it didn't fix your problem, you might want to reset the bar, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. But anyways, let me know if this helped, and if it did, if you'd leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.